two. So body just like that. Bringing the excess body around your waistline and as well.
Wow.
And just a little bit.
Yeah. So here tonight, watch a fire show.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Siva Afi or something like that, they
Yeah.
call it.
That-
My first time,
It's gonna be happening over there.
Island. Is it nice?
Island. Up there. Careful. No? Show me your moves. Okay. Yeah? Buffet. Show about to start.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and talo falaba! Samoa, but also our humble little hotel in Manila. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we really want to our beautiful cultural performances. Ladies and gentlemen, our ceremony. So we. Ladies and gentlemen, you just witnessed our honor ceremony. And we'd also like to thank all the chiefs that accepted our peace offering with our honor. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our next entertainment is dedicated to all the beautiful couples here in the building tonight. If you have any beautiful couples, please make some noise. He's on stage performing this number dedicated to all the beautiful couples. This number is called La'u Hani. Samoa. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for our boys of that number, Lome Lome. Ladies and gentlemen, our coconut demonstration. DJ. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone say hello, Pepe. Pep is holding in his hand a thing called a popo. Can we all say popo? Beautiful. As you can see, this popo is just as brown like our brother on stage. And we consider that a ripe and ready to go coconut. Now, we're going to call on another brother to come on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone say, hello, Pepe number 2. Pepe number 2 is holding in his hand a thing called a mele. Can we all say mele? In English, we call it a sharp stick. Alright, we're going to stick it to the ground, and now we're going to showcase the process of husking the coconut. The record right here is 3 seconds. On your mark, get set, and go. 1. 2. Sorry, I told them 3 seconds. 2.1. 2.2. Sorry. And ladies and gentlemen, 2.2 seconds right here. The mother man. Let's show one another coconut. It's a snapshot on our beautiful island of Samoa. But not only on the beautiful island of Samoa, but also on the Pacific, our Polynesian, Micronesian, and Polynesian brothers and sisters apply the same skill. So now, we use our organic tool from our garden. We call it a ma'a. Can we all say ma'a? Beautiful. In English, we call it a ma'a. Okay, we call it a rock. Can we all say the rock? If you smell what the rock is, meow, meow, meow. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Pepe number 1 is holding in his hand. Now he's going to strike this coconut and split it into 2 perfect pieces. Every single ladies in the building, make some noise. Oh, we got some claps in the crowd. Alrighty, on your mark, get set, and go. Can we all say wow? Ladies and gentlemen, just like that, 2 perfect pieces. And everyone going to taste organic coconut for free. Please put your hands up. Or we have a little gentleman over there. Do you have your parents around that area? Is it okay for him to taste our coconut for free? Yeah, because he's not covered on our health insurance. Alrighty, taste our coconut, buddy. No, all of it. As part of volunteer, you have to drink all of it. Beautiful. And now you're going to turn brown just like our brother. Please, a round of applause for our little volunteer. Siva. Okay, just a few messages from the kitchen. That coconut expired 3 days ago. We're going to turn extra brown tomorrow morning. So now, ladies and gentlemen, Pepe number 2 is sitting on an amazing tool we still use today. A thing called, what do you call that thing again? Or Kuwai. Can we all say Kuwai? Beautiful. In English, we call it a machine gun. Can we all say machine gun? You know mine, because you're shredding my coconuts. So, ladies and gentlemen, there's a hard flesh inside our coconut. Beautifully white. And now we're using a sharp-ended Kuwai over here, scraping it and turning it into little particles we call bengu. Can we all say bengu? Beautiful. In English, we call it bangor. We call it coconut flakes. Can we all say coconut flakes? And you know why we shred it down to these little particles? So we can extract this beautiful delicacy we're going to create in a second. So this machine comes in 3 speeds, ladies and gentlemen. It's called fast, faster, and slow-mo. Ladies and gentlemen, please, a round of applause for Pepe number 2. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's all gathered into this beautiful bowl. And now we're going to use another organic tool called a kawanga. Can we all say kawanga? Leay na awanga. It's kawanga. Beautiful. In English, we call it a strainer. Now he's gathered all the beautiful coconut flakes into our strainer. And now he's going to use his manpower to squeeze out this delicacy. On your mark, get set, and go. Can we all say wow? Can we all say yummy? Ladies and gentlemen, that delicacy is so pretty today. We call it pe'e pe'e. Can we all say pe'e pe'e? Beautiful. In English, we call it coconut cream. Alright, now we'd like to acknowledge our kitchen staff because they added this beautiful coconut cream as a thickener, as an extra, seasoning into all your meals, and infuse all your meals with coconut cream. So ladies and gentlemen, please a round of applause for our kitchen. So I believe there's some single ladies looking for a Samoan men to mingle with. Please make some noise. Oh, you're quiet now. Oh, beautiful. Now coming on stage, everyone say hello, Superman. Oh, now you want to say hello. So Superman has flown around our garden and making sure we have picked all the fresh, sweet scented flowers from the garden. And now, ladies and gentlemen, infusing the two with his hand. And now we've created a beautiful body product. You don't have to pay much money. You can make it at your own home. So now, ladies and gentlemen, not only infusing the two, applying it around, you know, pump the light coming on your trip. All you need on our beautiful island is a thing called a lava lava. Can we all say lava lava? Beautiful. All you need is a 2-meter fabric, and we're going to have our girls come on stage to showcase a few types to add to your closet. Ladies and gentlemen, welcoming our contestants on stage. Our contestant number 1. Everyone say hello, Famu. Famu has chosen a beautiful vibrant orange ensemble with a little touch of blue area. We're going to showcase what's our type tonight. A strapless. As you can see, I'm leading that 2-meter fabric around her body. This is very crucial in tying your outfits. Applying it with a simple tie and a knot to secure that first technique. And now we're going to give you the illusion of a strapless top and a skirt just around her body, just like that. Bringing the excess fabric around her waistline, her small waistline just like mine. And now we're completing the look with a simple tie and a knot, ladies and gentlemen. Now Fabu not only created a beautiful strapless outfit, but now she's ready to go skydiving in our beautiful style. Ladies and gentlemen, Fabu Sami. Now coming our second contestant on stage, everyone say hello and talo for Jonah. Chosen a beautiful lime green ensemble with a little touch of blue in it and some palm leaves for her tonight. Our jacket, also known as a little throw, if you like to, acknowledge the outfit that you have on already. We're gonna half that 2-meter fabric and half it again and tie that corner just like that. Apply that simple knot and a tie, ladies and gentlemen. Just like that. And now Jonah not only created a beautiful throw over, but allow your arms to go around this beautiful outfit if you can find it. Ladies and gentlemen, just like that. Yes, we found it. Oh no, we didn't find it. And now, giving the opening to your arms to give a simple little throw over or a jacket. The other way, so it's here, you can see it from here. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, round of applause for our lady. Just like that, throw it over her small little shoulders like mine as well. And she's going to be a little extra, ladies and gentlemen, to make this beautiful throw over our jacket into a little simple cocktail dress. With the excess fabric around her small waistline, just like that. And now apply the simple tie and a long technique. Very crucial inside your outfit. And now the look just like that, ladies and gentlemen. Now Jonah is not only ready for the beautiful sun, but she's ready to go swimming with the sharks. Come on, brothers and sisters, everyone say, Talofa Elena. Hello, Elena. A little one-show ensemble. Ladies, if you're a little conservative, we have a little outfit for you as well. Just like that, wrapping around her body and reading the center and the corner, just like that. Applying that same technique once again, the simple tie and a knot on the Elena's favorite shoulder, the left shoulder. Pulling it in, tucking the body, and now we're going to pull around the waistline area. Same technique, like from the middle of the waistline, and pulling in the excess fabric from behind, ladies and gentlemen, just like that. Applying that tie and a knot again around the waistline, now creating not only a one-shoulder outfit, but a nice little, we call it the bow sleeve. Just like that, executing that outfit with the simple tie sugar. We call it corn sugar outfit, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause for Ella and her spin workout outfit. Now coming on our last contestant on stage, everyone say hello to Ella. Ella is sort of nice little vibrant red outfit with a little touch of green flowers and ladies and comedy. We're going to create a simple alternate outfit inside the corner system that long beat absolute secure, not secured. We're going to do it again. Secure with the knot, just like that. And now Ella's going to tie it around her head, around that big body, and around her hair, fix the hair, fix the color. And now we're going to create a illusion of a low loose coconut top and a skirt. This is up to you, ladies and gentlemen, if you want a long that beautiful skirt, or take it about the knee, or you go a little shorter if you want to. And if you want to learn more about your friends, please come and see us after the show. And also you can that look at the same time now. And voila, a beautiful ultimate. And if you want some of these beautiful ensembles on stage, ladies and gentlemen, we sell these beautiful lava right in front of our desk here, beautiful ensemble. If you buy tonight, it's going for 80 tala. If you buy more than two, it brings it down to 75 tala. Now, ladies and gentlemen, take you to another beautiful neighboring island. We go here to our rights right here, the Mountain Hotel. We're also known to you guys today, the Cook Islands, also known as Rarotonga. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Moe Moea. gentlemen from the beautiful islands of Cook Islands, they say May Takima Ata, and thank you to the ladies with that beautiful number, Moe Moe. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our boys tonight, number 2. Yes. We have some amazing contenders on stage. I will 2, 3, hit it! Why are you shy? Why are you blushing? Hey, 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 hey! Shake it, Reno, shake it, Reno! Give it, Reno, give it, Reno! Go, Daddy, go! Go, Daddy, go! Hey, hey! Hey, hey! Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for Reno! Oh, only one hug? There's 3 girls. All of them hugs. And then there's a lady. Manu Mea. Gentlemen, introducing Siva. If you want Samoa, everyone say Samoa. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you on stage. Put your hands together for one of our junior competitors. Ladies and gentlemen, Chase. Siva. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for Chase. Also, like to acknowledge all our dancers that have traveled around the world to compete in finite dance competition. Now, coming on stage, please put your hands together for Juicy Joe. Sophia. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Juicy Joe. Now coming on stage, if you guys want some more, please make some noise. Coming on stage, please put your hands together for Nathan Siva. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Nathan. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Jack the Hulk. Siva. Here we go. Tokyo. Give it up for Chase, the amazing Chase. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Nathan. And give it up for Sidney. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our fine art dancers. Guys, stop. This is so naughty.
Yeah, really.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank you so much for our love and your support and our beautiful bowl.